Okay, our hike for the week, June the 14th, 2011. We're hiking on the Jack's Knob Trail up to Brasstown Ball, the very highest elevation in the state of Georgia. Temperature is 60 degrees, which is a nice relief. And we look forward to another great day for a hike. We're at the intersection of Highway 180 and alternate 180 that goes up to the Brasstown Ball parking lot. There's like a half-mile trail from there up to the top, but we're hiking a little farther. We have about 3.5 miles, I guess, up. Well, we're in a rhododendron thicket as you work your way up a steep trail. Jack's Knob Trail is up, then it's up a little more, then up, and up, and we're still headed up, but I think we're getting close to the top. Now we've come down to the bottom of the mountain and headed into the parking lot of Brasstown Ball. And now we can see the Brasstown Ball and the Welcome Center on top. Here at the base of the mountain, before we go up the trail, they have some construction going on. I believe they're building some new restroom facilities. The trail is just behind this area, behind the general store. Entering the trail here up to the top, it's asphalt. It's 6/10 of a mile to the summit.
I like your shirt.
Here's a little side trail. It really is a fairly long trail. It leads over to Young Harris College. Well, we made it up to the top of Brasstown. We're still up the road here, and here's the real nice visitor center. And observation decks are magnificent for views of the mountains up in North Carolina and all around Georgia. Several states are visible here on a clear day. The mountain views here at Brasstown Ball are awesome. Up into North Carolina, Tennessee, Georgia. It's an awesome facility here. Looking this direction, we look down to Hiawassee, Georgia, and Lake Chatuge. It's a beautiful mountain lake.